Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. This is Keerthi Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get notifications when I upload a new video. And yes guys, so this video is all about the weekend shopping haul that I've done yesterday, and I have shopped a bit in Zara and in Sephora. So yeah, I bought a bunch of outfits which are in sale and also a few which are not on sale, and then I bought a couple of makeup products as well, not actually a couple, a bunch of makeup products as well in Sephora. So this video is all about the haul video. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into the products now. So the first product is, the first one is this dress, guys. Is a cute high-low dress, the pink polka dot dress. I really loved it. The material is so soft, and this was on sale, so it came for around like $12. So in Indian rupees, it's approximately 800. So I think it's 12 or 15 something. I'm not really sure, but it's 12 or 15 actually. I really love this dress. Second one is this jean, guys. This is a white jean. So this is the Zara basic denim jean. So this is a ripped denim jean, and it came for $15. It's again on sale. I really love like white jeans, guys. You know, I don't think like you can have like enough number of white jeans in your collection. I am a huge fan of white jeans. You can pair it with different colors. So yeah, this was on sale and I just thought like I need to grab this up. And the other product is not actually the product. The other outfit is, okay, let me just put it in the proper form. You know, I didn't even try them. Just yesterday I bought them and they're still in bag. So this is the Palazzo. This is a cute Palazzo again, and yeah, this came for $35. Yeah, so this is not on sale, so the original price is $35, and I really loved it because these pants are super comfy. So I thought like I should pick this up, even no matter what, if they're not on sale, I just have to pick this up because I really loved the material, guys. And then the other one is this top from Zara again. Okay, please excuse me. Yeah, this is the top. This is a lace sheer top. You know, it has got that sheer thing, and you know, you can just pair it up with any black slip top inside and it looks super elegant. You have to check this kind of black tops because you know, you can just wear it to parties, your casual day outings, even to your office wear or something, because like black is a classic color, guys. Everyone should have some good number of black tops inside their, you know, clothes collection. So this came for $29. Again, this is not in sale, so this is the original price, but I thought, you know, I really love like black outfits, and yeah, I have to pick this up. So these are the things that I bought from Zara. So I'm finishing the Zara haul now. So I'll be talking about the Sephora products that I bought now. So the first one is this brush, guys. So let me just open this brush now. Sephora brush. It's a blush brush, and it retails for around $8, I think, $8 to $9. Anyway, I'll be leaving all the price details in the description box below. So can you just see how beautiful this angle is? So you know, you can actually put your blush on point with this one because it has got that perfect angle over here. Yeah, and I really loved the, you know, the detailing over here, the rose gold and the silver detailing over here. And then the other product is this one. It's the bronzed hula kit. This from Benefit. So you get the hula bronzer, you get the hula again cream contour stick, and also the WhatsApp Benefit cream highlighter. These are actually mini sized quantities, guys. So let me just show you one by one. So this is the mini sized hula bronzer, the powder bronzer, and then this is the cream contour stick. It's again mini sized, and this is the highlighter. This is also again mini sized. But I really love like the miniature products, you know, they look super cute. Okay, so the other product is the Anastasia lipstick. So this is in the shade Rosewood. I'm a huge fan of, you know, like peachy brown shades or like new mauve shades. These days I'm really falling for these kind of shades. And let me just show you the swatch of this now. Oops. Okay, this is the lipstick, and let me just show you the swatch of it. So can you guys see the swatch of it? I really love this color. So when I just put this on, I paired this up with the NARS, you know, the lip vinyl thing, and you know, it went on so well. So I'm loving actually the Anastasia lipsticks a lot lately, guys. You know, the pigmentation, the texture, and the, you know, the color combinations are so great. They have huge color range, so you should definitely check it out, the Anastasia matte lipsticks. And then I have bought this NARS, what's this? Oh, sorry, this is actually the NARS full vinyl lip lacquer. It's in the shade, okay, it's a bit weird to pronounce this thing, it's called Orgasm. Okay, and yeah, let me show you the shade, how it looks like. This is the product, guys. It is basically a lip lacquer, and it has got sheer coverage with a hint of tangerine in it. And can you guys see the swatch? So basically you can wear it all alone, but you know, according to Indian skin tone, this doesn't look amazing if you just pair it like alone on your lips. But if you pair it with some lipstick, it looks amazing. Like, I really loved it when I paired this with this lipstick, the Anastasia Rosewood lipstick. You can just pair it with pretty much any lipstick shade, guys, whether it's a pink, it's a red, it's an orange, it's a peach, even it's a brown. Like, you can just pair it with any number of lipsticks. I really loved it again. And then the other product is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Spandex. It's actually a blue glitter liner, but it has also got some purple kind of hints in it, like glitter particles in it. Anyway, I'll be doing a look with that. Let me just show you a swatch of it. Oh my god, it's not coming, guys. Let me just show you a swatch of it. I love glitter liners, and I love anything glittery because you can just pair it with some good eyeshadows and it looks so stunning. You can just see the swatch, the blue part over there. I really loved this glitter. I'm so sorry for the noise that happened just now. So, you know, I'm filming this video outside. I couldn't eliminate the noises, so please bear with me. And then I have got this. This is the Milk Makeup Eye Pigment. Let me just open this up. This is the Milk Makeup Eye Pigment, guys. So this is a cream eye pigment, and I bought a gig pigment like last in my last purchase, and I really love the formulation, the color payoff and everything. So I thought I should purchase a little more different colors again from the same range of Milk Makeup. And so I tried this out. This is in the shade Silent Disco. Let me just give you a swatch of it now. I don't even know, like, where should I swatch? Oh my god, a little goes actually a long way, guys. I put like way too much product, but can you guys see? But you know, actually it looks good when you just give that sheer coverage to it. It's that purpley brown black kind of thing. It has that hints of grey, it has that hints of purple, it has that hints of brown to it. You know, you can just do some good smoky eye kind of looks with this one. I really loved it again. And then right now my hand became super dirty with this one. Okay, fine. Then the other product is not actually a purchase, but I took it as a, sorry, it's actually a purchase. So this is the eyeshadow from Urban Decay. This is the Moondust eyeshadow in the shade Intergalactic. It's a beautiful pink color, guys. I loved it. when I saw that. I mean, like, the texture of these shadows are so smooth. In spite they have so much glitter in it, they glided on so smooth. I like glitter eyeshadows and glitter pigments and things, so I just, oh my god, it would have got broken, thank god. Okay, let me just give you a swatch of it. Can you guys see the swatch? I loved this color, guys. I loved that glitter as well. See the swatch of it. The Bobby Brown crushed lip color. This is in the shade Babe. Okay, let me just give you a swatch it again. This is a teeny weeny cute sample. By the way, guys, if you go to Sephora, don't forget to ask for samples, because you can get some amazing samples at Sephora. Let it be lipsticks, let it be any face products, or even perfumes. You can get some amazing samples at Sephora. So you know, you can get these teeny miniature samples. So these work best if you are a travel kind of person. So if you want to travel anywhere, you can just carry these miniature things and you know, you're good to go. Let me give you a swatch of it. Oh, I love this teeny cute packaging, guys. I love, like, oh yeah, so just see the swatch of it now. How amazing is this color? It's a kind of, you know, everyday kind of shade. I loved it. And these lipsticks are so buttery, so creamy. I think these are not matte. It's very creamy. And then I got a perfume sample actually. So this sample is the Chanel perfume sample. It comes in this cute packaging again. Again, if you are a travel kind of person, you can carry these cute sample size perfumes in your bag, and you know, you're just good to go. Actually, what I love to do is, in my handbag, I always have this teeny miniature perfumes from Victoria's Secret, from Sephora. I love to ask like perfumes whenever I go to Sephora, guys. I even have these miniature Victoria's Secret perfumes. I'll always have them in my bag. So even in my travel makeup kit all the time. So you can carry these travel size perfumes in your bag all the time. And you know, this smells so damn good, guys. This is a Chanel perfume, and once I try this out, I'll definitely purchase a full-sized version of it, no matter what, because this is so damn good. So yeah, those are all the products that I purchased yesterday. So this is my weekend shopping haul, guys. Do comment your favorite product down there in the comment section, guys. Okay, there is Ravi, so I'm looking at him. Yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. We'll be seeing you soon with another video, and don't forget to comment your favorite product down there in the comment section. And yeah, we'll be seeing you soon with another video, guys. Till then, have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, which I'll be leaving down there in the description box below. So do follow me on my Instagram, and also like my Facebook page, Keerthi Kumar Makeup. So we'll be seeing you soon with another video, guys. Till then, have a great day. Bye.